I think what we have done in the past, and I think what we will continue to do, is actually to invest in the capital cities. So I hate to disappoint you there, perhaps on the second risk, but perhaps not sort of in the immediate CBD due to pricing, but we really want to be sort of in the metropolitan areas due to the liquidity, both sort of in the tenants market, but also obviously later on the transactions and the resale. I mean, I think as a general rule, and I think that does not apply only to the Nordics, I think the gap between what you refer to as prime or secondary or core or non-core, how you want to phrase it, I think yes, the gap is at a record high, and I think that goes throughout the region. But we are more into adding value to the investments we make rather than to simply buying cash flow or yield pay. So more into refurbing, regearing assets like that.
And there are still those opportunities within the main capital city or within the main cities at the moment. You're still finding those, but you're just having to move slightly out of the CBD.
I mean, absolutely. If you look at most of the occupier market, you will find, looking at Stockholm, for instance, if you look at Grade A offices, it's almost it's complete. There are almost no vacancies at all. If you look at in Grade B or C offices, that's where you'll have the vacancy, and also as I mentioned, the gap between the prime and the secondary stuff is at a record high. So obviously, both in terms of tenant demand and investor demand, moving assets from not good or broken and make them good and sell them is actually a very good trade.